Hello friends, I am Mr. M. B. Murgunde, Assistant Teacher, Srimati Akkatai Nana Neje, High School and Junior College, Datwad. Students, today we are going to learn a poem from 9th Standard textbook, Unit 1st, 1.1, Walk a Little Slower. This is one of the most important poem. Students, you know that children always imitate grown-ups. They always encouraged and motivated by grown-ups. Students, the poem gives a good message for parents and you also. There are 4 stanzas in this poem. First I read the poem, listen carefully and look in your books. Walk a little slower. Walk a little slower, Daddy, said a little child so small. I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Sometimes your steps are very fast, sometimes they are hard to see. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for you are leading me. Someday, when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. And I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for I must follow you. Author unknown. So students, I think you listened it carefully. I also think that there are no words, new words for you. Now I explain each stanza of this poem. First stanza, walk a little slower, Daddy, said a little child so small. I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Every child is safe in the arms of its parents. The child learns many things by imitating. Its parents are the best models for him. This is the poem about a child who wants to follow his father. The child asks his father to walk slower because he is following his footsteps. Every child tries to learn from his parents. We know that mother is the first teacher who teaches all the basic things of life. But father plays important role in child's life. The father is the first role model after mother who keeps the whole family happy. लहान मूल आपल्या वडिलांना सावकाश चालण्याची विनंती करत आहे. ते सांगत आहे, मी तुमच्या पावलावर पाऊल ठेवून चालण्याचा प्रयत्न करत आहे. मला पडायचे नाही. आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू फॉल मीन्स आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू अनसक्सेसफुल. नाउ सेकंड स्टांजा, समटाइम्स युअर स्टेप्स आर व्हेरी फास्ट, समटाइम्स दे आर हार्ड टू सी. सो वॉक अ लिटल स्लोअर, डॅडी, फॉर यू आर लीडिंग मी. द चाइल्ड इज unknown to the world's experiences. So he wants to know all with the help of his father. So he requests him to go slow. It is not only about walking but learning to live in the society. Some of the things are very easy to understand, but sometimes it is very difficult for him. So he wants to understand them under his father's guidance. तो आपल्या वडिलांना सांगत आहे, विनंती करत आहे, काही वेळा आपले चालणे खूप वेगाने आहे. इतके वेगाने आहे की ते दिसत नाही. म्हणजेच तुमच्या ॲक्शन्स मीन्स कृती, भावना मीन्स फिलिंग्स, थॉट्स मला समजावून घ्यायच्या आहेत. त्यांचे मला अनुकरण करायचे आहे. तुम्ही मला लीड करत आहात. तुम्ही कसे वागता तसेच मला वागायचे आहे. म्हणून आपण थोडे हळू चाला. नाऊ थर्ड स्टांजा. Someday when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. Explanation. Here the child imagines the future. Today his father has me some expectations from his child, and the child is very much sure about completing them. He wants to suggest that he will be able to fulfill all the expectations if he learns all the life skills from his father and apply them in life and become successful. He further imagines when he will be a grown up person like his father and he will be having his own child again, the child will follow him. Here we can connect this to today's lifestyle of parents, that they are either busy with their jobs or ambitions. They have no time for their children. Some are running आफ्टर मनी. तो वडिलांना सांगतो, जेव्हा मी मोठा होईन तेव्हा तुम्ही जसे आहात तसेच मी बनण्याचा प्रयत्न करणार आहे. काही वर्षानंतर मलाही एक लहान मूल असेल, ते माझे अनुकरण करेल. मी आज तुमचे अनुकरण करत आहे, म्हणून हळू चाला. काही दिवसानंतर मी सुद्धा मोठा होईन. मला जे बनायचे आहे ते तुम्ही आहात. मला त्यावेळी एक छोटेसे बाळ असेल, जे बाळ ही माझ्याच मार्गाने चालेल. नाऊ फोर्थ स्टांजा. अँड आय वूड वॉन्ट टू लीड जस्ट राईट अँड नाऊ दॅट आय वॉज ट्रू. सो वॉक अ लिटल स्लोअर डॅडी, फॉर आय मस्ट फॉलो यू. द चाइल्ड wants to follow only his father's footsteps because he believes that his father is on the right path and he also will go on that great path. He believes in himself. ते लहान मूल सांगत आहे, जी सत्याची शिदोरी तुमच्याकडून घेणार आहे त्याचा वापर मी जीवनात करणार आहे, म्हणजेच खरे वागणार आहे. म्हणून ते लहान मुलं आपल्या वडिलांना विनंती करत आहे की तुम्ही हळू चाला, कारण मला तुमचे अनुकरण केलेच पाहिजे. सो स्टुडंट्स, आय थिंक यू अंडरस्टँड this poem very well. Thank you.